Hi, welcome back to Basement Backgammon. On this episode, we're going to be looking at problem 57 of Bill Robertie's 501 Essential Backgammon Problem Series. In this problem, you can see that for the first time, we're being asked whether or not we should double and whether or not our opponent should take. So two questions. I've taken the dice off of the board because this is not a checker movement problem. This is a doubling problem. In this particular example, yellow has rolled a 6-1 on the open, 6-4, excuse me, 6-4 on the open and ran. And then on the next roll, brown threw a 5-5. And they opted to correctly make two inside points and hit the blot on the 1, on the ace, which is now on the bar. On the second roll, yellow danced. Maybe they threw a 6-3 or a 3-3 or a 1-1 or something like that. They're still on the bar. And now brown has to make a decision. Should brown double? And if so, should yellow take it? Should brown double and should yellow take it? Those are your questions. One does not beget the other. So if should brown double is a question on itself, and then it's if brown does double, should yellow take it? I'll give you 10 seconds to decide. Hit the pause button if you need more time. And we're back. The answer, according to Robertie, is that yes, we should double, and yes, yellow should take. That's the answer. Let's hear what Robertie has to say about it. Yellow started the game by running with a 6-4. Brown then threw 5-5, making two inside points, and yellow danced. Brown should double, and white should take, or yellow should take. Brown has real chances to win a gammon, especially if he can roll a 2 and hit white's other blot. Yellow has just enough chances to enter an anchor to venture a take. So what Robertie is saying here is that we are definitely going to, given that yellow has a blot that is within our sights and has danced, we're going to give the cube, and yellow is going to take because there's only 3 points, and the points are kind of over to the left. We can come in on the 4 and 5, and if we get hit again, we can still anchor up and have a decent anchor and still make a game out of it. That is what Robertie has to say about it. There are some considerations for match play versus money play. Remember that this series, the entire 501 series, seems to be based on money play, not on tournament play. If the in specific tournament situations where, let's say, there was an 11-point match and brown was down quite a bit, yes, they still might give. Take point might be different for yellow. There are other considerations at play. The match score is a consideration, and there's a few other considerations when you're talking about match play. But money play is more straightforward because there's no consideration of losing the match. You always have a bankroll to go into. So we're going to attack this from the point of view of money play. And I'll try to see if we can do match play and see if the answer changes depending on certain criteria. Let's go to XG and see if XG has anything to say about this and whether or not it agrees with Robertie. We'll be back in a moment with that. And we're back with our XG analysis of problem 57, where we are being asked to figure out if black should double, and if black does double, should white take. Now, I've been asked online whether or not I can do analysis for match play for various length of matches and various points of the match, because that would be extremely helpful. However, that would take a long time, as there are many, many combinations between the length of the match and where you are in the match and how many points one player is away and how many points another player is away. I can see that being kind of burdensome and difficult to do. So I'm going to stick to the analysis as it relates to the book, which is for cash game play. In this particular situation, our opponent is 158 pips. We are 147, so we're ahead in the race, and we're being asked to double. XG says that this is a double take. As you can notice from the top over here, black has a 63.62% chance of winning this game and a whopping 32% chance of a gammon. However, white retains a 36% chance of winning with his own 7% chance of gammon. So this is a take at this point in the game. It's very early. It's only 2 rolls in. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. This is the one where Robertie got it spot on. If you like this video series, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of videos as I upload them. I'll be doing one a day for the entire series. This is problem 57. Thanks so much for watching.